Good morning, dear children. Welcome to another session of Maths. We are in the chapter Addition and Subtraction of 1 to 99. Till now we have learned addition of two-digit numbers. In this session and next session, we are going to revise the concepts whatever we have learnt in this chapter. This is called session 8 and we call it as mixed bag. Let's go for it. This is Mr. Matthew's house. Isn't it looking colorful? Yes, it is, because they are getting ready for the Christmas. Let me introduce them. Mr. Matthew and his wife, Mrs. Matthew. The two little kids are Alicia and John. They got ready today to go for shopping to buy some more things for Christmas. They are on shopping spree right now. Let's follow them and see what they are buying. Come on. Let's see what Alicia is finding out here in the shop. Beautiful stars. She always liked to arrange the house with the stars during Christmas. Today she is searching for some beautiful stars to decorate their house. So these are few stars which has some light. And these are 12 of them. Oh, she has seen some more colorful stars which she can hang in between the stars with lights. There are 5 of them. Now, how many stars did she buy in all? There are 12 gold color ones with light, and there are some colorful ones which are 5. So let us find out how many stars did she buy. How do we do that? We have to put together both the boxes, right? We have to put together the 12 stars and the 5 stars. So let's do that. How do we do? 12 in the mind and 5 in the hand. That is very simple. Whenever we have a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number, the 2-digit number can be kept in your mind. Now, after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So total, she has bought 17 stars to decorate the house. That's what she did over here. Let's see what is John looking for. Oh, John is interested in buying some Christmas caps. She has selected some colorful ones, isn't it? They are looking so beautiful, right? Some has Santa on it, some has reindeer, and some has snowman too. They are so beautiful ones for their friends. They are expecting some friends and relatives, so he has selected 15 of them for his friends. And he has seen some simpler ones for elders. So these are 5 of them, we can easily count them, right? He has selected 15 colorful ones and 5 simple ones. He has to go to shopkeeper and pay for them, right? So he is going to pay for 15 and 5. So total how many caps did he select? These are 15. We need to put together this one and the 5. We have to put together both the caps to find out how many caps did he buy finally. For that, what do we do? Yes, that is addition. We have to put together 15 and 5. Again, how do we do this? 15 in your mind and 5 in your hand. Now, after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So total he has bought 20 caps. That's what he has done in shopping. Mr. Matthew has come with a list of things to buy. So let's see what he's buying here. Beautiful balls to hang to the Christmas tree. They are pretty red color ones, and these are around 31. So he has bought or selected 31 red color bulbs or balls to hang to Christmas tree. He has selected some gold color ones also, which looks pretty on the Christmas tree along with red color ones. These are around 24. He has selected 31 red and 24 gold. So total how many of them did he buy? So for that we need to put together both of them. So for putting together we use addition. That's what we have learned, right? Let's do that. Now if you observe, 31 and 24 are two-digit numbers. Both are two-digit numbers. So we cannot take any number in our hand because we have only 10 fingers, right? So what do? We'll put them in a table and find out how many did he buy. So I have put 31 and 24 both in the table, arranged under tens and ones column properly. Now I am going to add. How to add them? Add up the ones first. So when we add the ones, you have to remember one thing. You have two numbers, 1 and 4. Keep the bigger number in your mind. So here the bigger number is 4. I am going to keep 4 in my mind and 1 in the hand. It's very simple now. After 4, 5. So 5 comes here under ones column. Okay, now let's come to tens. After ones we have to add tens. The bigger number among 3 and 2 is 3. So 3 in the mind and 2 in the hand. After 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is the number which comes in tens column. So total he has bought 55 of them to decorate the Christmas tree. Let us see what is Mrs. Matthew doing in the shop. What is she having in the mind to buy? Oh, such beautiful and colorful candles, aren't they? They are so nice, right? So she has selected some candles which are so colorful, and there are 36 of them. 36 colorful candles. And is she buying some more? Let's see. Yes, these are a little bit bigger ones. She has selected them, and these are around 12 of them. So she has selected 36 of the small ones and 12 bigger ones, right? So total how many candles did she buy to decorate the house? How did we do? Yes, we do addition over here to put together all the candles to find out how many are there in total. Instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, we are going to add the numbers to find the answer quickly. As both are two-digit numbers, 36 and 12, let's put them in the table to add. So tens column and ones column I have arranged 3, 6, 36 and 1, 2, 12. Now let's add them. So how do we do this? Bigger number in your mind from the ones column first. So 6 is bigger, 6 in your mind, 2 in your hand. So after 6 we have 7 and 8. So 8 comes in the ones column. Coming to the tens, 3 and 1. We have two numbers 3 and 1. Among 3 and 1, 3 is bigger. 3 is a bigger one. So 3 in your mind and 1 in your hand. After 3, 4. So 4 comes in the tens column. Total she bought 48 candles to decorate the house. This is the shop that they have visited. Wow, such colorful and beautiful things over here. Even I also wish to buy them. Don't you think so? Yes? Oh, what is there over here? There's a board which is showing something over here. Crack the puzzle and grab a Christmas tree. Wow. If we crack the puzzle, we are going to get a Christmas tree for free. Isn't it interesting? So let us see what Matthew's family has done. Have they grabbed the Christmas tree? Let's see that. Come on. Can we also try to crack the puzzle to get the Christmas tree? Yes? Let's try. Okay. And there are some locks over here which has some tags on which some numbers are given. So what is the puzzle over here? There are some keys too with the numbers 76, 58 and 37. Quickly let's see what is the puzzle exactly. Find the right key to win. Okay, so we have to find out the right key. Let's go for it. How to do it? Oh, the hint is we have to add the numbers to know the right key. Let's start quickly before others crack the puzzle. We'll do it first. Okay. So let's do the first one. 33 plus 4. Coming to the ones place, 3 and 4. 4 in the mind, 3 in the hand. 5, 6, 7. So we have to write 7 over here under ones column. So let's write 7. Now, in the tens place we have 3 and below 3 we don't have anything. So we are going to drop down 3 as it is. 37. Yes, we got the key over here. Let's see whether we can open it. Yes, we have opened it. Let's see. Let's go for another one. The second lock. 61 and 15. We have 1 and 5 in the ones column. 5 in the mind, 1 in the hand. After 5, 6. Okay. Coming to the tens column. 6 and 1. 6 in the mind, 1 in the hand. After 6, 7. 76. Yes, we got the first key, which is 76 written over there. Yes, it got opened. Let's go for another one. 2 and 6. 42 and 16 are the numbers over here. In the ones column, we have 2 and 6. 6 in the mind and 2 in the hand. After 6, 7 and 8. So 8 comes under ones. And quickly, in the tens we have 4 and 1. 4 in the mind, 1 in the hand. After 4, 5. 58. Yes, we got the other key. Let's open it. Yes, we have opened all the locks. Yay! We have got the tree. Now we are going to decorate this tree in our class. And we'll call Santa. Santa will be very happy on seeing this tree, right? He'll come to us with so many gifts. Let's wait for him. Let's take the Christmas tree home. Come on. After winning Christmas tree, we are very happy and we have come to the end of the session. It's practice time. And today's practice work is little different. There's a flower over here. I have given some numbers on it. In the center I have given a digit number, that is 32, and you need to add this 32 to the numbers given on the petals: 2, 3, 5, 6, 1 and 4. You have to add 32 to these one-digit numbers and write the answer. I'll show you one for you. So let's add 32 with 3 and see. 32 plus 3. 32 in the mind and 3 in the hand. After 32, 33, 34, 35. So I'm going to write 35 on the petal. In the same way, you have to add other numbers to 32 and write the answer the same way how I have written. You have to copy this in your notebook. We are ending today's session on a happy note because we have won the Christmas tree today. Hope you have enjoyed the class. We are going to decorate the Christmas tree and we'll meet in the next session. We'll wait for Santa too. Goodbye for now, children. Take care.